In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate Elementor, a popular website builder for WordPress that allows you to craft visually stunning websites without needing any coding skills. Activating Elementor is a straightforward process, and in just a few steps, you'll be up and running, ready to design your site with ease. To start, you'll need to be logged into your WordPress admin area. Once you're there, take a look at your dashboard menu, which is typically on the left side of the screen. This menu is your gateway to managing the different features of your WordPress site. What we are going to do next is navigate to the Plugins section. By hovering over Plugins, you'll see a few options appear, but for now, we'll click on Add New. This will take you to the WordPress plugin repository, a vast collection of plugins that can enhance the functionality of your website. In the Add New Plugin section, you'll find a convenient search bar located towards the top right corner. This makes it easy to find exactly what you're looking for without having to sift through countless options. Type in Elementor Website Builder into the search bar. As you type, you'll notice a list of plugins appearing below. Keep an eye out for the correct one. We're specifically looking for Elementor Website Builder. Once you've found it, you'll notice a button labeled Install Now. Go ahead and click on that. The installation process should only take a few moments, depending on your internet connection. WordPress will automatically handle everything in the background. Once the plugin has installed, the Install Now button will change to Activate. Click on the Activate button to enable Elementor on your site. Activation is a crucial step because without it, even though the plugin is installed, it won't yet be functioning on your website. Now that you've activated Elementor, you should notice something new on your WordPress dashboard. Specifically, on the sidebar, a new menu called Elementor has appeared. This is where you'll access many of the plugin's powerful features. It's also where you'll do the majority of your work when building pages and customizing your site's appearance. And there you have it. With Elementor now active, you're all set to begin designing. Whether you're starting a new page or revamping an existing one, the tools within Elementor will offer you a world of creative possibilities. Be sure to explore and experiment with its features, and don't be afraid to try out different designs. As you get more familiar with the tool, you'll find it becomes an invaluable part of your web building experience. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.